According to Gartner, poor data quality costs organizations $12.9 million every year. Yet many businesses still blame AI projects instead of their data. Everyone is investing in AI projects. Few are investing in trusted, connected data. Before you invest in an AI project, ask these 5 data-related questions. Can you trust your data? If your data is incomplete, outdated, or inconsistent, your AI project will produce unreliable outcomes. Is your data connected? Disconnected systems create silos that slow AI projects and reduce the value of your insights. Is your data governed? Without clear ownership and governance, AI projects become harder to scale and trust. Is your data secure and compliant? Healthcare and fintech AI projects depend on secure, compliant data from day one. Is your data ready for your AI initiative? Trusted data, connected pipelines, production-ready data platforms. That's what makes AI projects successful. AI projects need more than models. They need a strong data foundation. Value Coders helps healthcare and fintech teams transform fragmented data into AI-ready data platforms. Schedule an AI readiness consultation.